Hello loves! I am back with a quick little unboxing. I have been eyeing this for a while now. It's actually something that I got myself for Mother's Day, and it's from Celine. I actually was able to pick this up online. I did watch a ton of videos on reviews on this item, and I'm just excited to have it and start wearing it. So without further ado, let's get to the video. All right, so I did order this online. It came just plainly boxed, and it does come with a Celine white box. Inside, they usually include a dust bag. I did look at it once over just to make sure it was all good. I'm sure some of you can guess what this is because I've been needing one to add to my collection for a while now. And it is the Celine Triomphe belt. And this is actually in the medium size. And this is her. She is a beaut. This actually comes in a shiny leather, which is not my favorite, but they don't have any other options as far as textured leather. So we're gonna, we're gonna get what we get. But I just thought it was the perfect belt to add to my collection. This one, I believe, retails for $670 US. The reason why I wanted to add another belt to my collection is that the only other belt that I wear is my Gucci Marmont, and it is in the smaller version. And I wore that belt so much, I ended up getting more holes punched into it so that I could wear it around like higher up on my waist. And I love that belt, but since having a baby, I needed a larger size. And I also just kind of felt like I was wearing it a ton and it was time for something else, and not scream like Gucci. And I feel like if you don't really know the Celine logo or the Triomphe logo, you wouldn't really know like what brand this belt is. So I ended up getting this in a size 80, and I figured if I ever got, back down to my original weight, that I could always get more holes punched into it. I usually go to a local cobbler for that, but this is it. I did look at the smaller size and then the mini size. The mini, or the teen, I think it was just way too small, and then the small, I don't know, it just felt too small as well. I really wanted it to be like a staple belt that I could wear with work clothes, with jeans. And I thought the medium size actually was not very big, and I think it is the perfect size, honestly. Like I said, I did a ton of research just looking at what people had wearing them on and mod shots and stuff, and I felt like the medium was the perfect size. So let's go ahead and put this bad boy on. Let us see. The way this clasps on is pretty similar to the Gucci. It has a little protruding metal piece here. It came with a little rubber stopper on there, so let's take that off. And we're gonna go ahead and put it on, I would say, maybe the third hole. I don't know if we're stretching that, let's see. And then you push it through. Oof. Hold, please. Oops, I already dented it. Great. Yeah, I'm not really sure how this shiny leather is going to fare. Oh, I did it wrong. See, we're learning together. So basically, you put the leather through here. Makes sense, makes sense. It has two little holders right there. And then you pick the hole you want it to be in. So like I said, I picked the third hole. And I guess I could have gone maybe one more hole down, but this is what she looks like on. Let me move the camera a little bit so I can back up for you guys. Yes, I think super classy. I think wearing it with a pair of jean shorts. I think wearing it with some trousers for work. I think it is very classic and cute. And I will keep you guys posted on how this hardware ends up wearing, as well as the belt. But if I get even half the use that I did out of my Gucci Marmont belt, oh my gosh, I'm in a great spot, because I wore that belt to death and it held up so wonderfully. This is my first Celine ready-to-wear item, or I guess accessory item. I don't really own anything except for SLGs. And just up close, here is the shiny leather. Here is the buckle. And I believe this is the 25mm size. So I would say average belt size, even like not even that thick of a belt. And then I also planned on being able to wear it with like a shirt dress or something, and have it worn all the way up here, like where my true like waist cinches in. So I would say up here. So I'm going to probably have to punch a hole in it eventually if I wear anything, if I get any smaller, but kind of decided this is the new body that I have, so trying to get more clothes that fit me. So that is it. What do you guys think? Oof. Yep, just another up close of the Celine Triomphe belt. And then on the inside, it just says Celine Paris. Let me move you guys back. But yeah, that is my little quick unboxing. I have some more coming up for you guys. I just feel like it's been a little bit since I've been posting, so I want to make sure I keep you guys posted on everything I purchased, high, low. But yeah, I will keep you guys posted on all of the wear and tear of this belt. I'm actually gonna wear it today. My God, it smells so good. I just love the Triomphe logo. Sorry, there's construction outside right now. But if you actually have this belt and you have this type of leather, please let me know how it's been wearing for you, and I will do the same. All right guys, a quick little unboxing, just wanted to pop it. And as always, if you guys have any questions, you can find me on Instagram at @decorndesigner. And if you have any questions for this video, leave them below, but I will see you guys in the next video.